Begin daily use by removing, inspecting, and reinstalling the all-metal spray tips. To clean, we recommend soaking in a bottle with CLR, then using a soft bristle brush. Next, remove the water tank cap and inspect the basket filter. Clean out as needed. Using a hose, fill the tank with clean water. On combination models, release agent can also be diluted in the main tank. We recommend Dawn dish soap at a ratio of between 1 to 100 and 1 to 200, which translates to between 1 to 2 liters of soap for the TW354 and 1.5 to 3 liters for the TW504. The thick release agent tank is located on the right side of the machine under this access cover. Here you will want to mix your dish soap at a stronger ratio of between 1 to 5 to 1 to 10, which translates to between 1.5 to 3 liters or a half to 1 gallon. In a pinch, water can be diverted from the main tank at the T-fitting below the seat by threading a barbed fitting and running a hose to the release agent tank. Ensure all drains are closed. The line should be perpendicular to the drain. Check the drain valves on the left side at the pump and filter, the right side at the release agent tank, as well as at the spray bars. Below the seat, ensure the orange valve is oriented vertically, showing the arrow flowing from the tank to the downward hose. Once the tank is filled, start the engine. The tank level is mounted next to the tank's fill cap. The level gauge is mechanical to reduce failure points. To prime the water system, switch the spray mode to continuous. Save minutes of priming time by manually purging air from the pump by opening the valve until water dribbles out and then shut it. Once primed, water should be spraying from the spray tips when set to continuous. The timer setting can reduce water usage. Turn the knob to timer. Timer knobs can be adjusted for how long to spray, the left knob, and how long to pause between spraying, the right knob. Experiment with the timing as needed. Here we can see the spray timer working. 5 seconds spraying, followed by 5 seconds of pause, then repeated. Please note that on combination models, the timer does not apply to the release agent spray bar. The thick release agent is applied only when holding the release agent button. Use this to coat the tires before getting on the mat and when stopping and starting on the mat. To adjust the thick release agent spray, rotate the small knob located next to the release agent spray bar, which is accessible from the right rear of the machine. Excess water on tires can cool them, which can lead to unwanted pickup. To prevent this, there is a rear water shutoff valve accessible near the operator's feet. To completely drain the water system, unscrew the cap, which can be found by approaching the left side of the machine and reaching just above the rear drum or tires. Make sure to open the drains on the spray bars, the inline filter, and all lines located around the pump by orienting the levers so that they are parallel to the valve. To drain the release agent tank, remove the bottom cap. Open the tank fill cap to speed up the draining process. Lastly, make sure to replace the drain cap before moving the roller.